What's up guys, and we're back with some absolute bombshell news. We may have our first visual design related leak regarding the upcoming iPhone 13 series. The future of the notch is changing. Apple has been using the same notch design since 2017. Just to give you a quick example, this is how Samsung flagship phones looked in 2017 and this is how they look in 2021. It's finally time for a change. So out comes a brand new leak that shows glass panels for entire iPhone 13 model. If you notice the notch, it is indeed smaller, which is in line with the previous rumors. You can see there's like a slight mini notch within this notch, and this is basically the opening for the speaker grill, which allowed the overall notch to become a bit smaller. Now again, not a massive change by any means, but still a progress for Apple fans. For those who are looking for a huge jump in design, that's not gonna happen this year. According to Ming Chico, in 2022, Apple could use a punch hole design for their iPhone 14 series, and in 2023, we might see a first full screen bezel-less iPhone. So yeah, there we go. First visual leak regarding the notch status of the iPhone 13 series. I think the biggest thing about the iPhone 13 Pro displays is not the notch, it's actually the 120Hz refresh rate. Yes, as reported on South Korean media, 120Hz refresh rate is almost done for the iPhone 13 Pro series, and once again Samsung is that brand that steps up and becomes the provider. This year Samsung is giving its LTPO refresh rate technology to pretty much every brand out there. We've already seen it on Chinese manufacturers like Oppo, Xiaomi, Vivo, OnePlus, and now it's time for Apple to get some of that LTPO juice. Now 120Hz doesn't sound that much exciting anymore because so many phones have it. Even phones that are costing less than $300 are rocking this high refresh rate. But something about Apple and their late adoption of certain technology, I really want to see how they do the 120Hz refresh rate. A little bit of excitement still remains because we know how smooth iPhone is thanks to iOS and its invincible animations. With 120Hz refresh rate and higher touch sampling rate, we can expect the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro series to be probably the most smoothest phones out there. Also in the news, for the first time we're getting some rumors and leaks regarding the launch date of the upcoming iPhone 13 series. Apparently the development and supply chain is on the track, which means the iPhone 13 series, just like all other iPhones in previous years, will come in the month of September. And last but not the least, for a very distant future, Apple could make that Black Mirror episode a reality. Yes, according to the much trusted Ming Chico, he expects Apple to release their first contact lenses with augmented reality. These contact lenses might connect with your iPhone to display certain information. Imagine going out in public and seeing people with their likes and following appearing on their head. It honestly sounds pretty scary. Of course, right now we are far away from this tech. According to Ming Chico, this could happen by 2030, so that's like 9 years, but in a not so distant future, by 2025, Apple could release their first Apple AR glasses. I think in the future it's gonna get pretty hard to differentiate between reality and what's not real. Again, I would love to hear your thoughts about this, and yeah, what do you think about the iPhone 13's upcoming smaller notch? Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and once again, a quick reminder for those who haven't entered my Amazfit giveaway, so link for that is mentioned in the description. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.